sound like fun.
Small one right here is
You can do better.
so I'll link this one down
Let me
below.
show you what a good time
Some
looks
stuff I
like.
found
You can do better.
for some really cute ones.
So much better.
This one was
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no
I posted a
gloves.
reel of
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queen.
Good morning. I am so excited to be starting a vlog like this, just with the Christmas season, the holiday decor, and I wanted to share just all the holiday decor that I've gotten up so far. I'm not done. I've kind of been waiting for Black Friday to make some last purchases, but like I can't with how cute some of these little ornaments are. I got ones for the girls. They're obsessed. Look at them. They're so cute. I have some old ones of the girls that they've had from like last year. These ones here. But anyways, I thought it'd be really fun to do that today. Please let me know in the comments what videos you'd like to see for the holiday season. I have lots planned actually, and I do plan to get more videos out. A cozy and comfy little Christmas night, and just watching a little elf movie with the girls right now. And look at the Christmas tree. So beautiful. I'm obsessed with these big flowers. These ones I got for the girls. This one. Got these little lights. Just a really cute idea, and they're not heavy, which I really like. I was kind of worried about the girls up there, and I do need to get stockings that are all the same length because these are different lengths, but it still looks good. Okay, how cute is this? So you can do little like cookie molds or like any sort of baking, which would be really cute. I wanted to see how deep it was when I got it, but I was like, even ice cubes would be really cute for the holidays. But treats or like arts and crafts even, like the girls could use these for like Play-Doh. But I'll link them down below. I found a pink one, of course, and I'm just like obsessed. I love it. I also just made a big haul, so I'm going to share everything with you. I will link everything down below that's linkable. Some stuff I found from Marshalls and HomeSense, and you know I can't link that stuff, but I will definitely link as much as possible. It's also in my Like to Know It, but look how cute this little gingerbread mug is. Found this at Marshalls. And this candle here, this is like the Rachel Zoe brand. I am obsessed with how cute this is. It's a little snowflake. I burned it in one of my reels that I did, but I wanted to show you guys that. I want to go back and find another one. And also all of the decor branches that I have here is actually from a store in Vancouver. I will link it down below. I'm not sure if they ship, but honestly, such good finds. Like I asked my mom to go and get me some things from there. I did a haul on my Instagram, so I will link that down below. It's a reel. And I also have this. This was from last year, which I think is really cute. Just like a nice little Christmas tree. This one I just bought actually from Marshalls, which I really like. I love filling little bowls with ornaments. I just think it's so festive and it's so easy to do. I found this bowl, I think at HomeSense, but I put some ornaments in there, and then this big one right here. I think this was one of the first things I found and picked up were these Ho 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 Santa towels for a kitchen, and I love these. They're so hard to find. Pink things have been really hard to find for me. I think everyone's taking everything, but everything's gone fast that's pink. I have these ones from last year, so these Nutcrackers. I also just bought a pink one, but it's upstairs. I broke my little reindeer, but that's okay. Still so cute. But this one's pink and gold. The one I have upstairs is just pink, so I'll show you that. You can get it off Amazon or Walmart. And I'm so happy I did go with the white tree, you guys. It looks so nice in our house. And you guys know our house is quite white and bright, so there's something about it. And the girls love pink, and they really love the tree, so I'm happy I went with that this year. I have just some little things out over here. My KitchenAid blender. I've just been washing some pots, but you guys already seen. I've linked this for you. My green pan collection. I have so many pots and pans from that collection. You guys can see here. And I'm just like, they by far are my favorite pots and pans. And the Paris Hilton collection, I do have some things from her collection, which we have like the wine bottle holder right here. I'll link it down below. This tree I just picked up from Marshall's. I just thought it would fill the space quite nice in the kitchen. It's kind of plain, but I like it. I was gonna put like little ornaments on it. Over in this section, we just have my little Louis Vuitton book. I know I like doing fashion books in the kitchen, but it's just fun. It's more fun, and I don't know, I don't buy cooking books often, but I just think it looks really nice and aesthetic. And then right here, this is that little candle that I bought. It's just nice. I like it. And then right here, this is the Paris Hilton collection, the little Dutch oven. It's honestly such nice quality for the price. I was really shocked, and I love it. It's really heavy, luxurious, and the price is amazing. Okay, we've got some pictures here made by the girls. Back here, we have this coffee maker. So I got this from the Paris Hilton collection as well. I really love this. I've done some reels with it. I think it's beautiful. Also, her collection is just so price friendly. Hard to find though. Like I will put the link down below. But I think they sold out at Walmart. I don't know. In the States, you can get it from other places, but here it's just like Amazon basically. My dining room area has been taken over by my new launch, and the boxes came out so nice, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see this collection. December 1st, it is launching just because we wanted to get everything ready, and we also have Black Friday coming up this Thursday. I'm actually going to start it this Thursday. But look what I have in here, some goodies. I'm actually doing a swap with someone online, so I'm really excited. There's 2 more things I have to get for that. And then, yeah. And then another thing, I'm going to be doing a Christmas market. So me and Chantel yesterday were putting some of these just tags, brand tags on these bags that I got. Where is it? Ooh. These little bags right here, which I thought would be really cute. And then we have pink bags. But yeah, just lots and lots of stuff. We've got some travel cases out because I've been doing lots of giveaways. We've got lots of the mini bags. Also, my closet is all clean. I've redecorated it for like the 100th time. I have my big Nutcracker up there. I have this Santa mug, which you guys have seen. It's not really a mug. It's massive. Like you could store brushes in this or something. It's huge. And then I did have my brushes in there, my new ones, but I was taking pictures. Over here, we have just everything that I took out for Black Friday. I'm doing like some reels and stuff, but I'm really, really excited. So I'll have a big sale. We're also doing like an added gift into every order, which I usually do for Black Friday. And yeah, other than that though, I keep moving things around in my house because I've been doing so many reels. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram or TikTok, and I also post the reels to my to the YouTube shorts, so that makes it a little bit easier so you guys can like follow along and watch those, because those take me a while to do too, but I really do enjoy making them. Then over here, my vanity area, I definitely still have some organizing to do, but I did get my skincare all set up there, my perfumes, and then these right here, I'm basically just going through all the products and putting everything away in certain categories. So like I put my foundations with all my liquid products and stuff. I put my little mirror right here, and then in the drawers here, everything's organized. We have my new brushes, sponges. I just got these from Too Faced. Little trio set. And then in here we've got more just like nicely organized, so I have to go through all of these and do that too. I got a bunch of stuff from the Sephora sale too, and I don't think I shared that with you guys, but it's everywhere right now. I also got some new mascara, Better Than Sex Chocolate, which I really like. And then in here I have all of my new palettes that I bought from Too Faced. So I was gonna do a giveaway actually with this collection because it's so cute. And the palettes are like beautiful. They're so big, so many colors. Oh, can I close that properly? There we go. And this one I just got in the mail the other day from Too Faced. It's so pretty. This lip oil, I definitely want to buy some more because this is so good. I love this stuff. I was not a fan of their hair oil, but their lip oil is really good. Okay, so I was taking a bunch of videos yesterday. I'll probably insert it right here. It's a reel that I'm posting on the business page. just of all the goodies that you guys can get for Black Friday, which I know I kind of go all out on Black Friday, but I mean, it's one big sale of the year. And then we have the new launch coming the following week, and I'm just so excited. The backpacks are also going to be 40% off. You guys, these are a steal. I'm really excited too. I have a Christmas market that we're going to be doing this year, December 1st weekend. So yeah, next weekend. But I have all these, and then of course the pink one as well, which I have just up there. There's pink, white, brown, beige, like I have them everywhere. And then the black one I have up here. So those will be 40% off. And I'm sure you guys can see behind the little nutcrackers, we have a life-size nutcracker. So I posted a reel of this yesterday. I am obsessed, and I will link him down below. I got him off Amazon, and I'm gonna be honest, like nutcrackers of this size are so hard to find. They had a 6 feet one, but it was really expensive. This one, still expensive, but I think definitely well worth it. And they're hard to find. I've seen a few at HomeSense, and I think they were around $500. This one was around, I think, $330, but obviously still expensive. But again, these are so hard to find. And me and Sophia, I think, come up right here on him. So I was like, this is perfect for photos. And it's so cute. Really great quality, though. I'm really, really impressed. And I just love all the detailing on him. Like the jewels, the colors, oh, the crown, everything. It's just fantastic. And I have him up here because I was a little worried about having him in the kitchen with the girls, so it's just a little bit safer, but really cute. And then I finished my Christmas tree, redecorated it a little bit. It's just nice to have a tree up here too. I take a lot of photos and film in here. And this small one right here is from Amazon, so I'll link this one for you guys too. And we have the big nutcracker. So that one I actually got from the Bay a few years ago, but now I have a life-size one. I think today I'm gonna just get ready for my Black Friday sale, and then also going to do more reels. I really wanted to do a little transformation in my closet. Or not my closet, my office. So I might do that today. I have like no Christmas stuff in there. It's just been pretty crazy because we have obviously been so busy with the holiday season. We also have the diaper bag backpacks that are gonna be on sale 40% off. Everything also comes in really beautiful boxes, and I'm really excited. So if you've been wanting to pick something up, definitely do that this Friday. I am gonna have the sale start Thursday though. Little coffee area. So I wanted to quickly show you this. I did a reel on it yesterday because I had my new tea set come in. I've been wanting a tea set for so long, and this collection is on sale for Black Friday actually. And I'm obsessed. Like, I think it's so cute. I had to get the stand separately. I thought it came with it because it was in the photos, but it didn't. I put sugar cubes in here. There's a little teapot. It's so cute. These I have separately, so I'll link these down below. Little milk holder there, and then I have the little Christmas tree that I just bought. So I bought this, and then it came with ornaments, but I didn't like it with the ornaments. It kind of made it look cheap, so I just left it plain like that. And then it came with Christmas lights that I haven't put on it yet, so I'm thinking about doing that. I kind of want to put this in my office. And then right here we have the little treat stand, so you can put like little macarons and things like that. This always reminds me of afternoon tea, but I've been wanting something like this. This is also great for events that I have, and like launch parties and stuff like that, but I've just wanted like a full tea set, and it's so cute. The other thing that just came in was my Santa mug. So I was on the hunt for some really cute ones. This one was expensive, and I bought it from like a boutique. I'll try to find it and link it, but yeah, definitely expensive. And I don't know why they're so hard to find here in Canada. I haven't been able to find any at HomeSense. The other thing I will link for you guys are these pumps. I get asked all the time on the pink pumps, so I got them from Amazon. They're fantastic, just for like a little coffee bar area, and they also come in gold. Right, I am going to leave the vlog here. I know I didn't get to like be in it, but I just tried to pick up my phone whenever I could today and just film for you, so that's why. I will have everything linked, and I do have to actually finish off my tree. I haven't done like the very top. I want to get a really, really nice like star, something I can find with the girls. I've just been waiting for Black Friday, but yeah, it's pretty filled. Just the top area and the very bottom. I definitely have to find a little bit more ornaments for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and definitely let me know what you guys are buying for Black Friday. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video.
Into your box, beauty queens without no flaws.